Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install HP LaserJet 1010 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, before you proceed, please copy a link that I'll be attaching there at the description box below. So please copy it. And the moment you have copied it, please proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Now, once you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, please proceed at the Windows search bar and press Ctrl V key in the keyboard so that you will be able to paste the link that you have just copied. And click on Enter key the moment you have pasted it so that you would be redirected to this mega folder. Okay? So it's now requesting file folder data. We just have to wait until this process will be finished before we can proceed. So from here, you would be able to see two file folders, which are an HP LaserJet for 32-bit and HP LaserJet for 64-bit. And at the above side of that, you can see there a download option. Please click on it and go with download as zip file. The moment you click on it, it will eventually start on the downloading process. We just have to wait until this process would be finished before we can proceed. Once it is being downloaded, please proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there a download icon. Please click on it and go with this zip file that we have just downloaded. Click on this folder icon to show it in folder, and eventually you will be redirected to this location where your zip file is being located to. So from here, please click on this cut icon and close the window as well as this browser, and at the desktop we need to move that, so please do a right click and go with this paste icon to paste it here. Now once you have successfully moved it here at the desktop, we need to continue on our step by doing a right click, and from here you need to go with extract all, or you can simply use this tool WinRAR and go with this extract to. The moment you do it, it will now start on the extraction. And once it is being successfully extracted, we need to proceed to the start icon. Please do a right click and then scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. So here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that. You can see there a list of the options. Please locate with an option called Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, please proceed with this option called devices. And from here, you need to scroll down and locate with this related settings. Under the related settings, you can see there more devices and printer settings. So tap on it, and in that way, you would be able to bring up this new window called Devices and Printers, which contains all of the printers as well as the devices that you have installed here in your Windows. The next step that we need to do is we need to proceed on the upper left side of that. You can see there an option called Add a Printer. So please click on it. And the moment you do that, this new window would show up here at the bottom. You can see there the printer that I want is enlisted. So click on it to find a printer by other options and go with this one, which is being placed at the fifth. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. So click on next and it will ask you to choose a printer port. Please click on this down arrow key and choose among of this USB ports. So I have here three USB ports. So just select one of this. So in my case, I'll be using USB 001. Once you have set it, please click on next. Okay, and go with have disk since we have installed a drive here, a driver. Go with browse and proceed to the desktop. So from here at the desktop, please scroll down, go with this one, extracted file, double tap to it. And from here, if you're using a 32-bit OS or PC, proceed with the first. And if you're using a 64-bit, then proceed with the second. And since I'm using 64-bit, that's why I'm gonna select this second. Okay? So how you can check your OS or operating system. So just have to navigate to the button search bar, type for info, and click on open. Once a best match would appear, and this system information would show up here. So under the system tab, you can check your OS or operating system, which is in my case, it is x64. Once you have find it, close the window and select the driver that is in accordance to your operating system. So once a driver would show up here, please click on open, go with OK, and it will show you this one. Please select on HP LaserJet 1010 and go with next and go with and if you would like it to use the driver that is currently installed, which is the recommended one, you can go with it. Click on next, go with next, and it will now start on the installation. We just have to wait until this installing printer would be finished, and once it's done, it will show you if you would like to allow for printer sharing, then turn this on, and if you don't want to, turn this first on, which is do not share this printer. In my case, I'll be using this share this printer so that others on your network can find and use that. So go with next. And if you would like to set it as your default printer, you can check the box. In my case, I'll be leaving it unchecked. Go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 1010 driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So from that on, you can now close the window as well as this, and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.